This is Puppets by Arlie. I'm Arlie, and this is how you make demon shoes. We're gonna drape some skin for this shoe puppet here. I'm going to use a skin that's just a like a stretchy white stretchy fabric. So in order to get the pattern, I have this little scrap, and I'm only gonna do half because you only need to do half. Be sure that you drape fabric that's going to behave the same way as your fabric for the real thing. And I am stretching it a little bit because I want the fabric to be stretched. So get that fabric stretched. I think I'm gonna do a seam running across the bottom. Of course, it's gonna get glued over the mouth. Glued over. Okay. The pattern. And it's true, it looks very different from the actual puppet. It's always surprising. That's the heel. Very excited to see how this horror movie turns out. I love horror movies with puppetry in it. It's like my favorite type of movie. Put down in the comments what your favorite puppet horror movie is. I am a huge fan of Critters. I saw it when I was a little kid. My family would rent it from Blockbuster. It was amazing. But when it comes to little monster movies, there's also Gremlins, of course, and there's another really cheesy one called Hobgoblins, and the Ghoulies. All have really great puppetry in it. The Munchies, not such great puppetry in that one, but fun to watch. Okay, so this is shoe heel. Alright, now we are going to serge the skin. Okay, we're gonna glue the skin onto the shoe. On my demon shoe, I want to take these little wood eyes that are half circles, and I want to cut a flat part off so I can glue these resin demon eyes on. Find on a stencil where the eye fits through. That one. And then I'll take my demon eye, and I want the eye to be focused at the bottom. So I'm gonna put it so that around. Cut this out on the bandsaw. Doing the eye placement now.